What if the one exercise you've trusted for decades is no longer the best choice for your body after 60? For years, seniors have been told the same thing. Just keep walking. It's simple, it's easy, and it seems like the safest bet. But what if I told you that walking alone might be quietly allowing muscle loss, balance, decline, and even rising blood pressure, all without you even realizing it? What if there's a smarter, more effective way to stay strong and independent? In 2023, a groundbreaking study by medical researchers followed more than 15,000 adults over the age of 60. They created two groups. The first group did what we've all been told to do. They walked regularly. The second group, however, practiced 5 simple, targeted exercises using nothing but a wall. The results were astonishing and shocked everyone involved. The group that used these specific wall movements showed incredible improvements. They achieved greater leg strength, much better balance, and reported significantly lower joint pain. Even more impressive, they had healthier blood pressure readings and suffered up to 34% fewer falls than the walking group. Think about that for a moment. A 34% reduction in falls, one of the biggest risks we face as we get older. And they accomplished all of this while spending less time exercising. Some participants in the study nearly doubled their physical stability in just a matter of weeks. The change was that dramatic, and here's the most surprising part of all. The single most powerful exercise on that list required absolutely no gym, no special equipment, and no previous experience. All you need is a wall. It's that simple. It's about making every movement count. Today, I'm going to show you these 5 proven movements that sports medicine now says can outperform walking for seniors. I'll break down each one, step by step, and explain exactly how these simple exercises could be your key to staying strong, steady, and independent for many years to come. Because after 60, it's not just about moving more, it's about moving smarter. So, let's get started and unlock a new level of strength and stability, right from the comfort of your own home. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last exercise is the one that showed the most dramatic results. You won't want to miss it. Hi everyone, as a doctor who has spent more than 30 years working with older adults, I want to share one of the biggest mistakes I see people make after turning 60. It's relying on walking as their only form of exercise, while completely ignoring strength training. Now, I understand that hitting the gym can be intimidating, but building strength is crucial. And it doesn't have to be complicated. One of the most effective and safest exercises I recommend for starting out is the wall push-up, especially with an isometric hold. A fascinating study from 2023, published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, found something incredible. Seniors over 60 who practiced wall push-ups saw a 34% increase in their upper body functional strength in just 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Why is this so important? Well, after age 60, our bodies naturally lose about 3% of muscle mass every single year if we do any resistance training. This isn't just a number. It directly impacts your daily life. Carrying grocery bags becomes a struggle. Opening a tight jar feels impossible. Even simple things, like standing up from a chair, require more effort. And most critically, your ability to catch yourself during a stumble slows down, increasing your risk of a fall. I remember a 72-year-old patient who came to me feeling defeated. She told me she had stopped going grocery shopping by herself because she was afraid she couldn't lift her bags into the car anymore. It was heartbreaking to see her lose that independence. We started a simple routine of wall push-ups at home. Within a few months, she came back to my office beaming. She had regained enough arm and shoulder strength to not only manage her errands, but to do so with confidence. Here's how you can do this simple yet powerful exercise. First, stand about an arm's length away from a sturdy wall. Place your palms flat against the wall, about shoulder width apart and at shoulder height. Now, lean forward slowly, bending your elbows until your nose is close to the wall. This should take about 2 seconds. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds. Feel the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and arms working. Then, slowly push back to your starting position over 2 seconds. That's 1 repetition. Start with 5 reps, and as you get stronger, gradually work your way up to 15. Research from the University of British Columbia backs this up, showing that doing this just 3 times a week can increase pushing strength by over 40% and significantly improve reaction time. That improved reaction time is a game changer for fall prevention. Now, while upper body strength is vital, we can't forget about our lower body. The true engine for walking, balance, and climbing stairs isn't just your legs, it's your glutes. That's why wall kickbacks are equally essential. According to the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, targeted glute exercises like wall kickbacks led to a 32% improvement in hip strength and a 28% increase in walking power in older adults. Another major European review confirmed that stronger glutes directly reduce fall risk, improve balance, and make climbing stairs feel much easier. When these powerful glute muscles weaken, I often see patients develop a whole host of problems: poor balance, a slower walking speed, and persistent lower back pain. The wall kickback is just as simple to perform. Stand facing the wall and place your hands on it lightly for support. Keeping your back straight, lift one leg straight back behind you, squeezing your glute muscle at the top of the movement. Make sure you don't arch your lower back. Hold that squeeze for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly lower your leg back down. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. As you gain strength, you can make it more challenging. Try standing a little farther from the wall, adding some light ankle weights, or increasing how long you hold the squeeze. Many of my patients are genuinely surprised at how quickly these two simple movements, wall push-ups and wall kickbacks, restore their sense of control and confidence. It's not just about walking better, it's about living better, with strength and independence. Let's take a look at the next 3 groundbreaking exercises that every senior should be doing. As a doctor who has spent decades helping people maintain their independence, I can tell you that balance is just as crucial as strength, but it's something most of us don't train correctly. If you want to feel more stable, confident, and strong in your daily life, you're in the right place. Let's start with our first exercise, the single leg wall balance challenge. This one is incredibly important. Did you know that in 2023, the National Institute on Aging found that adults over 60 who could stand on one leg for just 10 seconds were 71% less likely to have a serious fall? Not only that, but they also had 60% fewer injuries related to losing their balance. That's a massive difference. So, why is this simple exercise so effective? It's because it trains the 3 key systems that keep you upright: your vision, your inner ears balance system, and all those tiny stabilizing muscles in your hips and ankles. I often see patients who walk perfectly fine on a flat floor, but get nervous stepping off a curb or going upstairs. I remember a 68-year-old patient who felt steady in her house but panicked the moment she went outside. After practicing this simple balance challenge a few times a day, she told me her confidence outdoors came flooding back. Here's how you can do it safely. Stand next to a wall, using just your fingertips for light support. Now, shift your weight onto one leg and lift the other one off the ground. The key here is to hold that position while you gently turn your head from left to right. This little head turn is what really challenges and improves your balance system. Try to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. When you're done, don't just drop your foot. Lower it slowly, taking about 3 seconds to bring it back to the floor. Start with 5 holds on each leg, and as you get stronger, work your way up to holding it for 10 or even 15 seconds. Want to make it a bit tougher? Once you feel steady, try taking your hand off the wall. For an extra challenge, you can briefly close your eyes, or even try standing on a folded towel or a pillow. A 2024 study from the Japanese Longevity Institute showed that this type of training can increase the connection between your brain and muscles by 40%. Participants even showed brain aging markers that were similar to adults 10 to 15 years younger. It's incredible what a simple exercise can do. Alright, moving on to our second exercise, the isometric wall squat, or as many people call it, the wall sit. This is one of the most powerful full-body strengthening tools for seniors, and the science behind it is impressive. A major 2023 review in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, which looked at over 270 clinical trials and 15,000 people, found that wall squats were the single most effective exercise for lowering blood pressure and increasing lower body strength. And for those with knee issues, when done correctly, they reduced knee pain by nearly 50%. This exercise works your quadriceps, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your core stabilizers, but most importantly, wall squats directly improve your ability to stand up from a chair, a fundamental movement for independence. I once had a 74-year-old patient who started avoiding going out to restaurants because he couldn't get up from the low chairs without help. It was really affecting his social life. After just a few weeks of doing wall squats, he proudly came in and told me he could stand up on his own again. That's what I call a life-changing result. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Walk your feet forward about 2 feet, keeping them shoulder width apart. Now, slowly slide your back down the wall until you reach a comfortable depth. You don't need to go all the way down to a 90-degree angle. Just go as low as feels good for you. Hold that position for 10 to 20 seconds to start. Do about 5 holds, and over time, try to increase your hold time to 30 or even 45 seconds. And get this, a 2023 multi-center trial found that doing wall squats just 3 times a week lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 13 points in 12 weeks. For many people, that's a result comparable to medication, but without any side effects. Now for our final exercise, the wall-supported dead bug progression. This movement is fantastic because it connects your body and your brain in a really unique way. It strengthens your core, improves your posture, and sharpens your fall prevention reflexes. It's also great for circulation and blood pressure control. The magic of the dead bug is in its cross-lateral pattern, where you move an opposite arm and leg at the same time. This mimics real-world movements like walking, climbing stairs, or reaching for something on a high shelf. Many of my patients notice immediate benefits from this one. They report better balance, faster reaction times, and just feeling more coordinated and confident in their day-to-day tasks. To do it, lie on your back near a wall. Press your hands gently against the wall to engage your core. Bend your knees to a 90-degree angle with your shins parallel to the floor. Now, slowly extend one arm away from the wall and, at the same time, extend the opposite leg. Hold that position for about 5 seconds, making sure to keep your abs gently tensed. Then return to the start and repeat on the other side. Begin with 5 repetitions per side. As you get stronger, you can increase the hold time to 8 to 10 seconds, or reach your arm and leg out even further. This exercise isn't just about building muscle, it's about strengthening the neural pathways that protect your mobility and confidence as you age. It's a powerful tool for keeping you active and independent for years to come. So there you have it, 3 simple yet incredibly effective exercises you can do with just a wall. The single leg wall balance, the wall squat, and the wall supported dead bug. Incorporating these into your routine can make a world of difference in your strength, balance, and overall quality of life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on healthy, active aging. Hi everyone, Dr. Miller here. After working with seniors for over 30 years, I find myself saying the same thing to my patients nearly every week. Consistency matters far more than intensity. I want to be very clear about this. You do not need long, grueling workouts or extreme routines to age well. In fact, sometimes those can do more harm than good. The simple wall exercises we've covered today are a perfect example. They take just 20 to 25 minutes, performed only 3 or 4 times a week. Yet, they often provide far greater benefits for strength and balance than walking alone. Now, why is that? Large-scale studies on strength and balance programs for older adults consistently show incredible results. We're talking about up to a 34% reduction in fall risk. That's a huge number. Participants also report noticeable improvements in their everyday mobility, their stability on their feet, and most importantly, their confidence to go about their day without worry. The wall itself is the secret weapon here. It offers safe, reliable support, so you never have to feel unstable or at risk of losing your balance while you exercise. It also provides precise resistance, allowing your muscles to get stronger without putting unnecessary strain on your joints. I've personally seen some truly remarkable changes in patients who commit to these simple routines. I'll never forget one gentleman in his early 70s who came to see me. He told me that something as simple as stepping onto a city bus had become an activity he dreaded. His legs felt shaky, and he was terrified of falling. After just 8 weeks of doing these exact types of wall exercises, he came back to my office beaming. He proudly shared that he now boards the bus confidently again, no hesitation, no fear. That's the kind of life-changing difference we're talking about. Now, don't get me wrong, walking is still a wonderful, beneficial activity. Keep doing it. But on its own, walking simply doesn't challenge the specific muscles, the intricate balance systems, and the coordination networks that are absolutely critical for protecting your independence after 60. Walking mostly moves you forward. But what about moving sideways or reacting to a sudden trip? That's where wall exercises come in. They specifically target strength in all directions of movement. They train your balance and your reflexes, helping you react faster. They boost circulation and support healthy blood pressure. And critically, they strengthen that brain-body connection that keeps you feeling agile and sharp. Please, remember this. Progress is far more important than perfection. Just begin where you are today. If you need to, use smaller ranges of motion. Do fewer repetitions. Hold the positions for shorter times. That's perfectly fine. The science is crystal clear on this. Your muscles, your bones, and your entire nervous system remain trainable for life. You can always get stronger. So, I have a couple of questions for you, and I'd love for you to be honest with yourself. First, which daily task has started to feel more difficult since you turned 60? Maybe it's carrying groceries, getting up from a low chair, or playing with grandkids. Second, how many minutes of intentional exercise are you truly doing each week? Your honest answers to these questions are the very first step toward building a plan to stay strong, steady, and independent for many, many years to come. Before you go, I want you to hold on to this thought. Your body can still grow stronger at any age. You don't need extreme workouts. You just need consistent, gentle movement, starting today. If this video was helpful, subscribe to The Healthy Path for weekly doctor-recommended exercises, fall prevention tips, and simple ways to maintain independence. Click that subscribe button and walk the healthy path with US strong, steady, and confident. Thank you for watching.